So now we are going to deal with the next heading, section formula. Before going to the formula, consider a line AB. Okay, let A be of units, A be of length 10 units. And I am taking a point P such that AP is 2 units and PB will be 8 units. Why I got PB as 8 units? The total length of AB we took as 10 units. So if AP is 2 units, PB will be of length 8 units. Can you say what is the ratio of AP is to PB? AP is to PB will be actually 2 is to 8. So that is equal to 1 is to 4. Okay, now we will deal with the section formula. Suppose we are having 2 point x1, y1, a x1, y1 and a b x2, y2, and I am joining AB like this, and I am taking a point P. The specialty of the P is P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. That means AP is to PB is equal to m is to n. So this much is given, and by using section formula we can find the coordinates of the point P. I am taking the coordinates of P as xy by using the section formula, or section formula help us to calculate the coordinate x and the coordinate y of the point P, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay, and the formula is given by x coordinate is equal to m into the first ratio into second x coordinate x2 plus second ratio into first x coordinate nx1 by m plus n, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, sum of the ratio. Similarly, y coordinate is given by m into y2, first ratio into second y coordinate plus n into y1, second ratio into first y coordinate divided by m plus n. So the point P xy by using section formula we can write as mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, suppose I am taking a line segment AB and P, let it be the midpoint of AB. Okay, then can you say what is the ratio of AP is to PB? AP is to PB is equal to, if you have a doubt, what you have to do is, let AB is of length 8 cm. And I took point P as the midpoint of AB, isn't it? So what will be the length of AP? AP will be 4 cm. And what will be the length of PB? PB will be also 4 cm. Then what about the ratio? 4 is to 4. 4 is to 4 gives you 1 is to 1. So if P is the midpoint of the line segment AB, the ratio m is to n becomes 1 is to 1. So if I need to calculate Pxy using the section formula, what I should do, instead of m and n, I can substitute the value 1 and 1. So what will be the formula? 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1. So that, comma, y coordinate will be 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. If simplified, we can write x2 into 1 gives you x2 and x1 into 1 gives you x1. So I can write the numerator as x1 plus x2 by 1 plus 1 is 2, and the next term y1 plus y2 by 2. So if P is the midpoint of the line segment, the ratio will be 1 is to 1, and the coordinates x and y is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. No need to go with the formula. If we are very sure that P is the midpoint, apply this formula. X coordinate is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. In all other cases, when the ratio m is to n is given, the point P which divides AB in the ratio m is to n is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, which is x coordinate, and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, which is a y coordinate.